With this problem, we're showing how we can calculate how fast two people can work together if we know how fast they work on their own. So this is a working together problem. So let's read what we have. We have that Deidre can paint a wall mural every 3 months. Lucy can paint a wall mural every 5 months. How long would it take them to paint one wall mural if they work together? So we know that Deidre can paint one wall, let's call it one mural in 3 months. We know that, let's do it kind of like a table. So Deidre, Lucy, and together. So we know Deidre can paint one mural every 3 months. We know that Lucy can paint one wall mural every 5 months. So one mural every 5 months, which means that together, if we just think of it in terms of 1 month, Deidre can paint 1/3 of a mural in a month. If it takes her 3 months to paint one, then it takes her 1/3 of a month. Then that means she can paint 1/3 of a mural in 1 month. So 1/3 of a mural in 1 month. And Lucy can paint 1/5 because it takes her 5 months to paint a mural. So one mural in 5 months means that she can paint 1/5 of a mural in 1 month. So 1/5 of a mural in a month. So together, in 1 month, Deidre paints 1/3, Lucy paints 1/5, so together they paint 1/3 plus 1/5 of a mural in 1 month. So if I'm adding two fractions, I need to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this fraction 1/3 by 5/5 because it's a multiple of 1. 5/5 on this side, and then on this side I'll go 3/3 because that's also a multiple of 1. So what I end up with, 5/5 times 1/3, I get 5/15, and 1 times 3 is 3/15. That gives me 8/15. So together, they can paint 8/15 of a mural in a month. Now, they can paint 8/15 of a mural in a month. That's a little more than half of a mural in a month. But it's not asking how much they can paint in a month. It doesn't want to know how much they can paint in a month. It wants to know how long will it take them to paint one. How long will it take them to paint one wall mural if they're working together? So if they can paint 8/15 of a mural in 1 month, so in other words, 8 murals in 15 months, I can set up a proportion. So if that's 8 murals in 15 months, I can set up a proportion that says if they paint 8 murals in 15 months, then they can paint 1 mural in some number of months. I don't know how many, but I know that when I don't know, I make a variable. I'm going to call it X. So if they paint 8 murals in 15 months, then they can paint 1 mural in X months, X number of months. So let's solve for X. So I'm going to multiply both sides by X first. When I multiply by X, those two will cancel each other out. Pardon me. So I have on this side, 8 times X is 8X. I still have that 15 in the denominator, and I have 1 left over here. So 8x over 15 is equal to 1. Now I want to get rid of that 15 in my denominator, so I'm going to multiply by 15 on both sides. 15 is going to cancel out. I have 8x equals 15. And then I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. I end up with 8 is equal to 15 over 8. I'm sorry, x is equal to 15 over 8. And 15 over 8 is just equal to 1.875. What does that mean? What was my question? Well, my question was, how long would it take them to paint one wall mural if they work together? Well, I know that we were talking about X number of months, and I said that X is equal to 1.875. So that is 1.875 months. But remember, I want a complete sentence if I'm asked a question. I want to know what exactly that means. So I can say, if Deidre and Lucy work together, they can paint .875. I'm sorry, they can paint one mural. They can paint one mural in 1.875 months. That is my answer.